Hi, this is Jim at Tapspace, and this will just be a quick tour of Native Access version 2. Native Access is Native Instruments software for registering any Kontakt-based libraries or Native Instruments-based software. As you'll see, I've logged into my Native Access account, and I have just a few bits of software available to me. Kontakt 6 and Kontakt 7, most notably. For Virtual Drumline, we recommend you use Kontakt 6. However, Virtual Drumline 2.5 will work perfectly in either software. They're just slightly different interfaces. If you're a new Virtual Drumline user, the first thing you'd want to do is install Kontakt Player 6. Next thing you'd want to do is actually add your Virtual Drumline serial number to Native Access, which will register that software to your Native Instruments account. So you get that serial number from the email that was sent to you when you purchased Virtual Drumline. Simply copy the serial number and paste it in here. And now we have successfully registered Virtual Drumline. We have not quite finished installing it yet, though. Virtual Drumline 2.5 is an older library, and so it's not quite as automatic as we would like it to be. So there's a few things to know here. In order for Kontakt to locate Virtual Drumline and use it, we need to tell Native Access where to find it. So we're going to click the Locate button and find the location on your computer where the Virtual Drumline 2.5 folder lives. This is, of course, assuming you've downloaded the library. If you haven't, this will not do you any good. You have to download the library first. So let's locate the library. And I have it in here. And basically, it's the Virtual Drumline 2.5 folder that we're looking for. Once you've highlighted that folder, click Open, hit Confirm, and you might end up seeing this. This is an issue that has been happening with Native Access 2, where it doesn't recognize older Kontakt player libraries. So the quickest workaround for this is to actually use Native Access 1, which is still available through the Native Instruments website. So here on the Native Instruments website, you'll find this article about how to downgrade to Native Access 1. If you're a Mac user, you can actually choose to have both versions 1 and 2 installed at the same time by reading the instructions in this article. In this case, I'm on a Mac, so I am actually going to launch Native Access version 1. Log in with your Native ID. You'll see the installed products that I have on this machine. You'll also see up here there's a list of not installed products. Basically, we're going to do the same thing here in Native Access 1 that we unsuccessfully were able to do in version 2. So we will click this Browse button here to locate where the library is living. Navigate to where you've installed your Virtual Drumline 2.5 folder. Click the Open button. And then this Install button will become blue. Click that. And now it will show as installed. We should also see that now appears under Installed Products. So if I now launch Native Access version 2, we'll see that Virtual Drumline 2.5 is now showing as installed. And we can verify this by launching Kontakt Player, and sure enough, Virtual Drumline is showing up here. We can load an instrument. It is functioning as expected.